Welcome to Machine Arena. Today, we explore the remarkable journey of pigs, from family farms to modern pork production. It is a story of dedication, resilience, and the timeless role of American agriculture in feeding families at home and abroad. Our journey begins on the farm, where pigs are raised with care and attention that reflects generations of knowledge. Inside the barns, the animals are sheltered from harsh winds, heavy rains, and freezing winters. Farmers provide a constant supply of fresh feed and clean water, ensuring every pig grows strong and healthy. Daily routines are built on patience and responsibility. Farmers walk the barns, checking pens, observing behavior, and making sure each animal is comfortable. It is steady work, often unseen, but it's the backbone of a food system that supports families across America and the world. Breeding and farrowing are among the most critical moments. Sows are given a safe and warm environment to deliver piglets. Newborns receive immediate care with warmth, colostrum, and protection in their first fragile days. Farmers take pride in guiding these early steps, knowing that healthy piglets represent the future of the herd. As the animals grow, their diets are carefully adjusted, balanced with the right nutrition to support steady development. This blend of science and tradition mirrors what American farmers have done for centuries, adapting, improving, and passing down methods that keep agriculture thriving. Modern barns are designed not only for efficiency, but also for the welfare of the animals. Ventilation, temperature control, and strict sanitation are part of daily life. While the technology has changed, the principles remain the same: responsibility, stewardship, and respect for the animals that provide food for millions. What we see here is more than farming. It is a reflection of values rooted in hard work and perseverance. In every corner of rural America, these farms remind us of the enduring spirit that built communities, fed nations, and shaped a proud agricultural legacy. One of the most significant advancements in animal agriculture has been the use of artificial insemination. Instead of relying solely on natural breeding, farmers collect and carefully preserve the genetics of select boars. This allows them to improve herd health, strengthen desirable traits, and ensure consistency across generations. The process is handled with care and scientific precision. Sows are monitored closely for the right time to be bred, ensuring higher success rates. By using artificial insemination, farmers reduce disease risks, improve animal welfare, and make better use of resources. It is a practice that combines science with stewardship, reflecting the same spirit that has long driven American agriculture: innovation balanced with responsibility. This careful planning sets the stage for everything that follows in the pork production chain. From the farm, we now move into the processing plant, where the journey of pork enters its most carefully regulated stage. They are moved gently and calmly, a reminder that humane handling is essential, not only for animal welfare, but also for ensuring meat quality. By reducing stress, farmers and workers uphold a standard that has long been part of responsible livestock care. Once inside, the first stage involves careful preparation. The animals are humanely stunned, followed by processing under strict guidelines. Carcasses are cleaned thoroughly, washed, and inspected by trained professionals. Every plant operates under layers of food safety regulations, many of which were pioneered in the United States and later adopted around the world. These inspections safeguard consumers while ensuring that only the highest quality pork continues through the line. The carcasses are then chilled to maintain freshness before moving on to cutting. Automated machinery begins dividing each body with remarkable consistency, an innovation that saves time while minimizing error. Yet, human workers remain close at every stage, watching, guiding, and correcting. It is this partnership between technology and human skill that guarantees both efficiency and quality. As the cutting progresses, the pork is separated into distinct sections. Hams, shoulders, loins, and ribs are sorted with care, each destined for a specific use. Some cuts are prepared for everyday meals, while others are selected for specialty products or export markets. America's pork industry has long played a role in global trade, and these facilities are a key reason why consumers abroad trust the quality and safety of U.S. products. Boning and trimming follow, where skilled workers shape the meat into the familiar forms we recognize in stores. Every knife stroke is guided by training and experience, ensuring nothing is wasted. Byproducts are also collected and used, proving that modern plants are designed for efficiency as well as quality. From there, packaging becomes the next critical step. Meat is vacuum sealed to lock in freshness, then chilled or frozen depending on its destination. Labels provide detailed information, allowing consumers to trace the journey of their food from farm to table. This transparency has become a cornerstone of modern food production, building trust between farmers, processors, and families at home. The plant itself is a marvel of organization. Conveyor belts, refrigeration units, and safety checkpoints work in harmony to keep the process smooth and reliable. Every element is monitored: temperature, timing, cleanliness, to ensure nothing is left to chance. In this environment, even the smallest detail matters, from the sharpness of a blade to the angle of a cut. What emerges from the plant is more than just pork. It is the result of generations of progress. From the farmer who raised the hogs, to the workers who cut, trim, and package the meat, to the drivers who transport it across highways, each step connects to the next. The pork industry is not simply about feeding families. It supports communities, powers economies, and links America to the wider world. Next, we travel to the world of cured meats, where tradition transforms simple pork into delicacies cherished for centuries. Hams are salted, massaged, and aged in climate-controlled rooms, allowing natural enzymes to work their magic. After the fresh cuts leave the processing line, some are destined for a much slower, more patient journey: curing. This is where simple pork is transformed into specialty meats, celebrated for their flavor, history, and craftsmanship. The process begins with salting. Each cut, often a whole ham, is carefully rubbed with coarse salt that draws out moisture and helps preserve the meat. Workers sometimes repeat this process several times, making sure the salt penetrates deep into the muscle. The meat then rests in cool, climate-controlled rooms, allowing time for natural enzymes to begin their quiet work. Over the weeks that follow, the salt not only preserves but also enhances flavor. Slowly, the meat loses excess water, becoming firmer while developing its unique character. Some hams are massaged or turned regularly to ensure even curing, a practice passed down through centuries of tradition. After salting, the hams are washed and hung in special aging chambers. Here, temperature, humidity, and airflow are carefully controlled. These conditions mimic the slow, natural environment that earlier generations once relied on in barns or stone cellars. The process may last many months, sometimes more than a year, depending on the desired flavor. During this time, natural molds may form on the outside of the meat, creating a protective layer. Far from being harmful, these molds are part of the process, contributing to aroma and texture. As the months pass, the flavors deepen, creating a rich, savory taste that cannot be rushed. What emerges at the end is more than food. It is a product of patience, craftsmanship, and respect for tradition. From holiday tables in America's heartland to gatherings across the world, cured pork connects people through flavors shaped by both nature and time. Progress in pig farming is not only about the animals themselves, but also about the environments and tools that support them. One important innovation is the use of composite BMC flooring. Unlike traditional wooden or concrete floors, this material is durable, hygienic, and designed to keep barns cleaner. The slatted design allows waste to fall through, reducing contact with the pigs and lowering the risk of disease. It also makes cleaning easier for farmers, ensuring healthier conditions for both animals and workers. Alongside better housing, feeding technology has also advanced. Intelligent feeding systems now encourage pigs to engage with their food in a natural way. Machines dispense straw or feed slowly, allowing pigs to root, chew, and play as they eat. This not only satisfies nutritional needs, but also provides enrichment, reducing stress, and improving overall welfare. Together, these innovations reflect how far livestock farming has come. Just as American agriculture once embraced tractors and automated harvesters, today's pig farms adopt new tools that improve efficiency, safeguard animal health, and respect natural behavior. Next, moving full-grown pigs has always been one of the toughest tasks on the farm. Mature hogs can weigh anywhere from 200 to over 300 kilograms, making it nearly impossible for farmers to handle them alone. Today, specialized lifting machines provide the strength and support needed for this demanding job. These devices act as mechanical arms, gently raising and lowering animals with precision. By reducing the strain on farmers, they help prevent injuries while ensuring the pigs are moved safely and calmly. Simple in design, yet powerful in function, they represent the kind of practical ingenuity that farming has always embraced. Just as earlier generations relied on pulleys and levers, today's farmers use modern tools to carry heavy burdens more efficiently and humanely. In the same spirit, specialized equipment makes daily farm chores easier. One clever invention is a trolley system designed to transport heavy loads with minimal effort. These tools may seem simple, but they represent the ingenuity that keeps farming families going. Every small improvement, whether in feeding, cleaning, or moving animals, saves time, reduces injury, and ensures farmers can focus on what truly matters: raising healthy livestock. Even after a hog's life ends, its value continues through composting. Modern systems transform remains into nutrient-rich material that can be returned to the soil, feeding crops for the next generation. This process reduces waste, protects the environment, and closes the natural cycle of farming. It reminds us that agriculture is not only about raising animals, but also about renewal, where nothing is truly lost. Just as America's pioneers depended on fertile soil, today's farmers honor the same tradition of giving back to the land. From barn to table, from innovation to tradition, pork production reflects the resilience of farmers everywhere. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe to celebrate the spirit of industry and farming that shapes our world.